This is Cody with facebookandmarketing.com. I wanted to make a quick video today on hacking PHP in order to make things look like you want them in your WordPress website. I'm not using WordPress, I'm in here in our forms. It's all the same thing though, PHP, CSS, or CCS, whatever you want to call it. Our objective here is to get rid of this schmeg right here because we've integrated our entire website to connect with Facebook. We'll show you that here in a minute. But the problem is, in most of the time when you're in a theme, when you try to erase stuff, right here is where the code's at. We found it, this code. We found it by looking through each and every file until we came across shows a login box, because this was a theme when we first started out with it, but a lot's changed. But this is how we've had to work around it in order to start out with a nice framework in the beginning. We go here and we look for shows login box, and we look for the form action to begin, and we notice this thing right here called echo. What an echo is whatever's after the echo will shout out for whatever character is right after it. So what that means is if it says echo right here and we erase that, now our code's broken and we can't edit anything. But if we put it back, it's safe. So you ask me, well, what if we just take the echo out? So let's take the echo out. Even more gets messed up. The problem with taking things out is unless you're an absolute genius and you can sit here and scan through the code and you can pick this stuff out one thing after another in 5 minutes instead of 30 minutes or an hour or a few days like it takes most of us, you're gonna have to do it this way. So what we're going to do is we want to take out this particular area right here, and since we matched the code up using the inspect element, we've matched up what everything is and found it here. We're going to take all this stuff out like a surgeon, and we're going to make sure we don't knock out any of the echoes. You may have seen I knocked out these echoes. These echoes don't matter. It's these standalone echoes that matter. And you can't take out the commas either. Leave everything the way it is except the commas and whatever's after the echo, which happens to be this little line, the apostrophe. So we're going to go through here like a surgeon. Some of them are easier than others. Depends on where the coder decided to put things. We got another one right there. And we're just going to keep speeding on through here and knocking all these out. Some commas you can knock out, some commas you can't knock out. The majority of the commas you cannot knock out. You'll know if it's a comma you can't knock out because your code will break. This is a very, very simple hack. A lot of beginners don't realize that you can do this. I didn't until recently. But anyway, all you do is just keep going through here, make sure the code doesn't break, and keep deleting things. Go ahead and save it. Keep refreshing your page if you're on a live server editing, or do it on your local server if you're doing it on a local server. Anyway, this is Cody Krasicki. I hope this helps, or hope this helps out, and I hope you don't break any more code. Take it easy. I'll see you soon.